Good morning everyone. I am on a bit of a vlogging roll, so I'm just going to continue and maybe do a home vlog today, so from start to finish. Just woken up, I'm on annual leave. It's my last day before I go do an extra night shift tomorrow, so that's been nice. It's a May half term. I've woken up to Steve that Lila's just randomly shoved those in my bed. So yeah, gonna get up and get. Hello, good morning. Just to point out, I've not actually even been here for 2 days, so this is not my mess at all. However, I'm the only one here, so ta-da! It's not a whole lot better, but it will do. Alright, just gotta find my other flip-flop. Okay, so I'm just going to put together a bit of, well, brunch really, in between breakfast and lunch, because we haven't had our breakfast yet. Today we've gone for tuna and a spicy mayo, cucumber wrap with avocado, and I've got some crisps and apple as well, and a cup of tea. Okay, so we've come down the river to walk about. She's already doing my head in. Just had a little walk, we just sat down now throwing the ball, and this is her favourite place. I'll just show you the surroundings. There you go, you've got Lila being very dramatic in her hoodie because she thinks it's cold with Steve the seagull. See, Belle's so annoying. Yeah. Yeah, it's really warm when the sun comes out. See the sky?
Hello. My name's Chicky. Big Mama. Belle, leave me alone. No, sit. Stay. I was talking to Belle. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh. I'm gonna count down. Oh, she did it.
The dog has just lost her ball. It's over there, but she thinks it's in the water. I'm just filming Lila being a chicken. She won't get in. Oh, the dog's found her ball.
You terrible friend. I could get over to that.
Yeah, I know, but then Belle won't go in and I have to get back in. I have got my river shoes on. Over there. She's so close. If you show Belle where her ball is. Oh, she's found it. Yeah. Back out. Are you going to dip it? What are you barking at? You're not having the ball? I just missed Lila dunking. That's cold, isn't it? Oh dear. I'm having an eyelash problem.
No, what? Just 2 seconds. Give me my hoodie back. Give me my hoodie back.
She won't share her hoodie.
It's my hoodie. I was the one who packed it, not you.
Okay, Lila's taken a hoodie. That's for me, so I'll just be cold.
I'm joking.
Actually, it's quite nice. The sun's coming out. We decided to go shopping because we had no food in the house and we also had a voucher, so had to go and use that. Oh, look. A little pet sprinkler. I don't know if Belle would actually like that.
Oh, how much is it?
I don't know.
Like
Yeah, but
£7.
don't really want that amount of Prime.
It's only 4 and I drink it in like 2 days.
No, we're not buying that.
But look.
Oh, look at that Budweiser keg. No Prime.
4? Oh.
Mango and pineapple rum. So the shopping come to, I think, £142, 42 pence. Just show you. All the glory. But we had a lot of vouchers, so we actually got it for £37. So got to try and fit in the car now. Almost. So I'm gonna have a little car sandwich before we head to the next shop.
I got my famous sushi.
Have you got banana skin shoved in your ear?
It wasn't
take that
me,
out.
it was yours.
That's probably true. I didn't know who was home for dinner, so I just cooked loads of burgers and left them on the side because that's what it's like when you've got grown-up children. Feeding time at the zoo. We settled down to watch Britain's Got Talent. It's something that we watch every single year. It's probably about the only thing that we do watch now together as a family and really do enjoy it. Lila disappeared off at one point and I found her in my bed with Steve the Seagull and the sumo wrestler, so that was fun. Sumo and Lila. Night. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. Night.